Yeah, them thick, man.
Miss Lee can never have this booty.
Hey, don't shake your booty side of me something there. Okay, we're back in the kitchen with Chef. And today we're making
Chicken noodles.
don't put that knife at it. Chicken noodles.
Wait, people call it chicken noodles, but it's chicken and noodles.
Okay, so what's that there?
Breast, chicken breast.
Chicken.
And I'm going to fry them. They're normally all fried, but me now want my chicken all fried.
Okay. The oil is hot, so we're dropping some chicken in the oil.
Chicken oil?
Oh, let's drop in some chicken in the oil. Oh, oh.
Make them go and fry until they're brown. Oh, and the chicken is already like a smoked chicken, so it's already cooked, so it's not gonna take long.
I don't understand.
I don't understand either. Well, a smoked chicken, so I just like get the
chicken
breast.
was smoked from the inner that?
Yeah. So I just take out the breast out of it and then I fry it. You can fry? When they tell me, I don't know, but me I fry it so I can do chicken noodles. And I used to this little recipe thingy where them use smoked chicken with noodles and all of that. But me decide, so I not just want to pick up a smoked chicken like that and use it. I want to fry mine so it, you know, have this little crispy to it. Very crispy. And it smells good. It doesn't smell raw. But yeah, first I do this. We normally do like sausage and all of that with noodles, remember? But yeah. So that is it. So we're going to do vegetables now, which is carrot, pak choy, onion, sweet pepper, peppers, hachibane pepper, and yeah, I didn't say I use cabbage, but I don't want to overdo it. I just want to make this thing. I'm going to do it in this because this big because I want some for breakfast. You want some for breakfast? I know somebody will comment now. Young lady, what about your channel? I'm coming back. I did my, well, I know, you know what, that I never did my last exam, Jason. I never did my last exam. I have like my practical leave to do and my next exam. That's a big exam. Already I get brown. Enough chicken this, you know? I just me and you. Somebody who want to come over? I want somebody to come over.
Listen, share your share.
You're too mean.
Lucky.
Mean. I want somebody to come over. Who want to come over? Comment below. Come have dinner with me. Every time I just want to offer somebody some my food because whenever I get Jason food, him no compliment lies, but I just want to say this to make it look bad. Him no compliment me. I'm just tired. I'm just frustrated. I just want somebody. I don't like he always compliment me, but I want to give somebody else some of the food. Because me and Jason, we need a baby. There's one parent, right?
I don't want any children.
I said child.
I don't want any child.
Well, one not gonna kill me.
I'm ready.
But you're not kill me.
I'm ready though.
What gonna live? After, you just still don't want it.
Next 5 years.
Oh.
Next 5 years before me have a child.
Would I? Oh, you hear that? Yeah, next 5 years. I hear that. You hear? Yes, you same one. You.
Next 5 years for a child with you.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
She?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she.
So how long am I gonna wait then?
Next year. Next year.
Next year for what?
For baby.
What baby? Next 5 years.
No. Next year we're gonna get with baby, guys. We're gonna do gender reveal and all of that.
And then say you want to do, and I say you want baby. You just want to do gender reveal.
I need a baby by my side. I need somebody who make me talk to hard. Because I don't want nobody come to my boy then.
Yeah, that sounds like somebody tell you that already.
I know. I don't know. But one won't hurt. If it hurts, check birds. Like when you smell a pepper when it's a frenzy. Oh, by the way, we don't really know what we have to say. If we do not wrong, we can comment and say we just a try. We not invent this because people did already have the chicken and noodles. We never did that, but the first we did. But we want to add a little spice to it because we don't have no sauce. I'm gonna make one sauce though, my secret recipe. So you know I'm full of secrets. Okay. And then after we finish fry this, we're going to put our noodles to boil and then we're going to make it cool off because you know when you boil noodles and put them down and it's still hot, it's going to get soggy because it's still a cookie. The heat still a cookie. So I just want it to get more crispy. More crispy? Crispier. Crispier. Most crispy. More crispy? No, crispier. Maybe oh come here. Crispy. More crispy. I want it to get more crispier. Okay. What you want it to get?
Crispier. Or more, not crispier either. Crispier is not a word, more crispy.
Yeah, yeah, babe. You see, you know it. Yeah, that made it say more crispy.
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 Yes. You look at it crispy.
This is crispy.
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 Crispy. Okay.
Crispy. Oh yeah, crispy. You want to taste it? You want to taste it? Oh, I made a mess.
Glad you just don't clean it.
Oh my lord. Something in my heart. But yeah, for everybody who are hey, we can do a little mukbang after. But for everybody who ever ask me what about my channel, I'm gonna tell you when I do the mukbang.
I do the mukbang.
I don't know, can I do a mukbang?
Don't talk for all of this up now.
It tastes nice, but one thing is salt. It's salt, baby, it's salt. You know why it's salt? You know why?
No.
I'm married.
So you know I'm married. You want a married man?
Yeah, but I'm a married man.
You want a married man?
No.
What you want?
I want married, but I just style. I want married as deep. Like married, yo, more married man.
Yo, my nose are bunny.
Pepper. Just want it spicy. Something in my heart, like a stream running down. Like that. I wonder if we could just make them long so we can suck it up.
We not suck up nothing. Why? Break it. Bad man not suck nothing. Go there, beer.
Noodles. This is for me, are you?
Of course.
This is a lot.
Of course.
Maggie make it better. When I use Maggie, you ever seen nobody when I use Maggie there? Maggie just alright, I don't want this to get too soft, I just want it to get some flavor and thick crunchy. That tastes good enough. May I chef enough? May I chef there? You like me cooking? Are you make a stew?
Yeah.
Don't spoil it.
Spoil what? Oh yeah, it's Sunday.
Fair.
Fair.
Should we go eat some here?
I mean, anything we have cooked for me, you night, no more.
Oh, you're gonna have me night now? What that time I cook all night now?
I know when to do that.
If you did for that long time.
Big up yourself.
I choose me no want to kill them. I don't have the heart. But we are gonna do it. I want to see community. We are cook for.
This looks.
Okay, we can't taste it. Ooh. It looks healthy, don't it?
Yep.
Here we are going a pepper now. One day things must get better. Alright, turn up what you eat now.
You turn up back the fire, you know.
Yeah.
Fire is the same thing.
Turn up back the fire. So you can I know our chicken noodles. What do we call chicken noodles? I know our noodles and chicken. It tastes like lo mein. Like real lo mein. Like girl. So then you want a friend. This is to me that girl. This tastes a real good girl. So that's the now.
Girl, this tastes really good, girl.
Show them myself.
I can't.
Show them myself.
I can't.
Oh, I know you can't. And then come and the line tell me why I think Jason can't show himself. Alright, I can make this one soak. And that's a little bit more Maggi. Maggi, you wanna see this? See this Maggi?
Yeah, sign you. So yeah, next, what am I name?
Oh, number that cat.
Maisie Miller.
Miss Maisie, I think you mean Miss.
Miss Little. Miss
No.
Little.
Don't
Thanks, Lasco. I had them kind of thick like Miss Little.
No, babe.
Yeah, them thick, man.
Miss Little never have this booty.
Hey, don't shake your booty side of me something there.
Want it? Come and have it.
Well, nothing really happened more than we enjoying the food. Eat some for the vlog. Wow.